Jordan Davies tu mewn I Cai Griffith, cyfle cynnar I Cei Connah, Franklin, braidd yn lwcus, oedd o yna fan yna, 20 eiliad ar y cloc. Nath Phil Mooney I ora, ond yn anffodus iddo fo, mi ddisgynnodd hi yn garedig I Harry Franklin I rwydo I drydydd gol o'r tymor. Davies. Nash yn gry ac efo Jordan Davies, chyrwch ymlaen, mynd ar dyfarnwr Mark Petch, no Edwards, cyfle I Franklin rwan, ar ei droed chwith, Franklin am Iael! Mae'n dod ddrwg I waith i'r cofis. A Cei Connah di dyblu mantais. Edwards I Franklin, a'i droed chwith yn plannu'r bêl, heibio I Lewis Webb. Mae'n gyfle yma eto, y Thomas Jack Kenny, Lewis Webb yn gwneud y lach, yn am hat-trick, oedd Harry Franklin. Caernarfon ar chwal ar hyn o bryd. Lewis Webb, tro'n gwneud gwaith da I nadu Kenny. A Franklin ar ôl 2 mewn 5 munud, sy'n chymolso di rhwydo eiliad ar o targed o fyna. Harrington, rhyddhau Franklin i'r cwrt Cosby, mae te cefn I mewn I Franklin, mae hon yn matig a Lewis Webb unwaith eto i'r adwy. Davies dros I ben, as Harry Franklin, di gallu cael 4 gol yn y 7 munud hanner agoriadol o'r gêm yma. Am ddiffyn Caernarfon, y mopan ar hyn o bryd. Declan Poole, Disney, tu allan I ddod. Disney, chodi fyny tuag at y postyn pella, ac yno mae Harry Franklin wedi sgorio hat-trick. A dim ond 10 munud o'r games di gael ei chwarae. Mae amddiffyn Caernarfon yn ddifrifol a wael yma ar gair castell heno. Disney, tuag at y postyn pella, Nash arbeniad, ond mae'n gefn yr oed gan Harry Franklin. Rhedeg I mewn, gyda'r ymythol allan. Mae'n rhwydo I 4edd gol o'r noson a 4edd Cei Connah o'r noson. Tuag at Dan Roberts arbeniad, mae'n wthiad gan Roberts yng nghefn o'r amddiffynwyr, felly fydd I ddim yn cyfri. Pas I Declan Poole, Jack Kenny yn y cwrt Cosby, tuag at Kenny! A mae'n bumed I Cei Connah wrth i'r gloc bron iawn a tarhal yr amser. A mae Jack Kenny yn rhywyd o'i ail o'r tymor yn erbyn y gyn glwb. Nash, Davies rwnd y gornel I Franklin, dy ddim yn cam sefyll. Cadw'r bêl a dir y chwarae, ti'n gael Jack Kenny! Sut a ddiar, mae di methu'r cyfle yna ar ymyl y cwrt 6. Mae dylio fo I rwyd o'i ail o'r noson. Harrington mynd teipio I Cartwright, Sgwar I Williams. Williams yn mynd yn lletach I Declan Poole, ffyrin ôl I Josh Williams. Williams, un symudiad ar ergyd yn ffrachio, heibio'r golwr Tom Pritchard. Cei Connah di taro 6. Ail o'r tymor I Josh Williams. Symud y bêl yn sydyn ar ymyl y cwrt Cosby. Ergyd rymus yn curo Pritchard ar ei bostyn a gosa. Disgyniad yn Davies, Clark sy'n tu mewn. Louis Lloyd yna gynta, cyfle am y gol gysur I Caernarfon. Oes ma yna, symudiad cyflym o'r cefn. Mae Louis Lloyd yn rhwydo 4edd o'r tymor i'r ysgellwr. Gibbo, what a first half performance that was.
Yeah, look, you know, we've been starting games really well at times. I think, you know, a number of games now where we've scored within the first couple of minutes. I almost felt within 10 minutes we could have been 5-0 up, and it wouldn't really have been, you know, against, you know, the odds to have done that. Ultimately, you've always got to be happy with a 6-1 victory. You've got to be happy with 5 goals in the first half. I thought we left a few goals out there with the chances that we missed as well. And when it gets into the second half, and obviously the game's probably won, it's dangerous against Caernarfon because the way that they play, they were leaving 3 and 4 men up the pitch, even at 5 and 6-0. And you know, when we didn't put things to bed, they were always a threat on the counter-attack. And you know, 6-1, we're really pleased, obviously, on the back of it going into the game 2nd v 3rd.
Know your night tonight. Would you say that first half performance was the worst of the season?
Yeah, comfortably. You know, we've played them a few times now, and the result's been the same. We concede in bunches, you know, which isn't good enough. If we want to keep progressing, that's something that we've got to eradicate, and we've got to do it quickly. You know, to be 3-0 down after 9 minutes against a team as good as them, you know, there's no way back at that point.
Harry, what a start to that game, especially for yourself, hat-trick within 10 minutes.
Yeah, it was. I was probably surprised as a lot of people, to be fair. I've been kind of not involved in the goals as much as in terms of scoring them, but you know, I'm pretty happy to get them, especially in the first 10 minutes. I'm buzzing.